So the worksheet says, define the following terms in your own words without hopefully using your notes or textbook. Provide an example of each to support your definitions. So here's what you have to be able to do with each of these terms. So I'll start out, atom. So to me, an atom is the smallest unit of matter. Each atom has a nucleus, and inside the nucleus there are protons and neutrons. Protons are positively charged, neutrons are neutral. Around each nucleus there are electrons, which are negative, that spin in orbits, shells, or rings. An ion. An ion is an atom with a charge. Could have a positive charge, could have a negative charge. Could be a simple ion, could be a polyatomic or a complex ion. An element. An element is something that's found on a periodic table. It is made of one type of atom only. So, if you have the element zinc, that element is made of zinc atoms only. So only one type of atom. A compound. Like an element, a compound is also a pure substance, but a compound can be made of two, three, four, or more elements that are joined together chemically. Compounds can be ionic, meaning they are made of a metal and a nonmetal. They could be molecular, meaning they're made of a nonmetal and a nonmetal, or they could be metallic, meaning they're made of a metal and another metal. What is a mineral? A mineral is something that is solid, that occurred naturally, that is inorganic, which means it came from something that was not alive, never alive. Is something that has a definite chemical composition and a definite structure. Each mineral has its own set of mineral properties that can be used to correctly identify it. A rock is something that is solid, that occurred by nature. However, a rock can be inorganic or organic. It could be both. There are three kinds of rocks: sedimentary, igneous, and metamorphic.